Okay, so I bought a outdoor garden bird bath. So that's the box it came with, and a little sheet of instructions of how to assemble it. Well, let's take a closer look. And I actually got it in blue, so there's the bowl, the post, and then the poster connector, and then the base, and then it came with these 3 stakes. So let's put it together and see how it looks. Okay, so it took me all of about 4 seconds to put it together. And I really like the blue color on it, and that's what it looks like put together. I'm about to take it outside. I also bought this, which is a solar powered fountain. And this one comes with different water fountain spray nozzles. I'm assuming these are to keep it from moving in the fountain. And we're gonna put that in the fountain and take it outside and see how it works. But I'm really liking the blue color. It's plastic, so we're gonna see how it works. Okay, so I put the solar powered fountain together, and it does come with a manual, but it's pretty easy. I put this fountain head on it. I mean, it does come with different ones here, but that's the one I chose. And these plastic straws, you just put them in the notch. They're easy to take out. See the little notch? Just put them there. And I'm assuming it's so they won't be floating around. Well, we're gonna take it outside and see how it works. Well, as soon as I put it out in the sun, it started making this noise. So I put some gravel on it. I did the stakes on it, but I also put bricks. And let's see how it works. Some rocks on it. No? There it is. There it is. Oh wow. It stopped making noise and now it's pumping water. Oh, I love this. Best part is it's solar powered.